And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub. It is bright and it is sunny. Sun's just coming up over the buildings, look. There we go. If that's not a promise of a good day, I don't know what is. I absolutely love Fridays, I really do. Best day of the week. Can't beat it, Chippy Friday. Well, what a week we've had here this week. We've had a few broken cars, we had a couple of ride-alongs. We had all successes and no failures this week, so can't be bad. John came along the other day and brought us a fresh supply of number 9, so thank you, John, you're awesome. And yeah, get Thunderbird 2 back today. Thunderbird 2 is currently in Priceless Auto Services in the body shop in Northwich. I went last night and had a look at her. She looks lovely. Mario, you're awesome. So we'll get her back today on the road for the weekend. What are we going to do this weekend? It's a bank holiday. Buzzing, can't wait. It's going to be a brilliant weekend. So I'm going to have a nice chill day today down in the hub. Do a bit of admin, bit of cleaning, bit of tidying up, and freshen it all up. Morning, Andrew, how are you, mate? Yeah, go and freshen it all up. And we're ready to go next week. Another couple of ride-alongs next week, and yeah. Oh, it's brilliant. Every day above the dirt is a bonus. Never forget that. Anyway, without further ado, I won't hold you up anymore. So, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. Morning, Brendan. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday over the weekend, have an awesome weekend. Happy birthday. Morning, Martin. Morning, Adam. So, yeah, the SimplyDiag.net Community Zoom will be on shortly, about 9 o'clock. So feel free to jump in and say hi. And I still struggle getting my words out first thing in the morning. I've been here for hours. Yeah. First one of the days, I'm always a bit tongue-tied, so you'll have to forgive me. But listen, whatever you're doing this weekend, have an awesome weekend. Don't forget, you're awesome. Thanks for watching.